So we got a grandma in the box.
Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Show them what you got here. We got
another grandma in the box.
and he's going to show you how to decorate his cookies.
We need to back it up here a little tad bit.
It comes like this. It has papers with ideas in it. It comes.
And I never tried. I tried. Wait, as you see,
Here's all the stuff. I think this is
I
like
want to look at
$20 a month.
Hershey's are my favorite little bitty chocolate.
She always sends these. It's Halloween, so she's got the orange, the purple, and the white icing. She always sends these little things. And
I'm gonna eat one of
this
these.
time she sent. There's 2 ghosts and 2 witches
I made myself
to
one of
decorate.
these because these are good.
And
Hershey's.
Then there's 2 pumpkins, the small pumpkins and the big pumpkins.
Yep.
And it looks like the little chocolate cereals. I can't think of the name of it. Looks, and here's some other kind of cookies. These look like maybe.
And these. Bulldog bones. Hershey's. These.
And there's a package.
There's dark chocolate.
All different.
No, it's
like
this.
Yep, here's the little chocolate thing.
Give me icy, give me other.
The kisses,
So,
and then she sends these little to see what.
Open the icing. Kids, don't do this
So
at
she
home
sends-
if you're 4 or 3.
So she sends
Only
everything.
at least 7 or 8-year-olds can do
She
it.
sends everything you need to make. I think it said like 21 different types or different cookies. It says, welcome to the October Grandma in a Box. This month we have 3 new projects with Halloween in mind, including witches' hats, crispy Halloween bites, and Halloween cookies with frosting and sprinkles. I'd love to see how your treats turn out, so please send me some photos. Have fun with your cookies, candy, crafts, and sure to read through all 3 project
Here's the purple.
cards
Man, that's cold.
before you start. You can also check out my YouTube channel for step-by-step instructions. I am working on a fall theme for next month. If you already subscribed, thank you. If not, the deadline is November the 3rd for the next box, as we ship the first week of every month. Thank you for helping us grow. Grandma Terry. And then she sends these cards with ideas. We got, we've been getting it since, I think that was our first box, was the 4th of July box.
Yeah, it was America. If you guys don't know, I drew America flag. So I love America.
Yeah, you can go look, and I can look and see about see if I can leave the link.
Stuck together.
Yeah, it says $20 a month and free shipping.
So I'm gonna make something. I need this.
Okay, he's gonna make something. And here's all
open
these cards she always sends with different ideas. And it has, I think this last month I read where it has like a breakdown of, it has a breakdown of all the different ingredients in case somebody is allergic to any certain thing. I thought that was a really cool idea to include, since the cookies are already like that. Uh-oh. Yeah, don't make a mess. Careful.
We're open.
Yeah, well, try not to spill them anymore. Look how cute. Okay, careful. So she sends all these cute little things. One of them was, I think it was this, it was this one that was open. They're all in the bottom of the thing, but that's okay.
That's so cool. They should make a white one of these. Just pure. Is he just
Let's
sugar?
see if I can scoot
purple
this
dyed sugar?
back so you can see what he's doing a little bit.
So I'm gonna get the biggest one. Start making stuff like
Okay, I reset it so you can kind of see what he's doing here. Still trying to adjust it where you can see what he is designing here. He likes doing this.
So yeah, yep, I do. I'm not good at this, so please don't get upset at me.
Thank you so much if you're watching. He loves to decorate and know that people are watching him, what he's doing here.
I'm doing this bear cut.
In case you haven't watched many of my videos, this is Levi.
Yeah, and I'm 8 years old. And by the way, my birthday's in November 26th. So yeah, if you guys want to send me any
He's
my
not
birthday.
shy, is he, for asking for things? Yeah, he will be 9 next month.
I'm not eating right out of it. I'm just
If you haven't followed with him, he is a little miracle.
I about died, if you guys don't know.
Yep, he has no large intestine and only 10 inches of small. The doctors say medically that is not enough to even surviving, much less thriving, but you can see he is thriving.
And surviving, because I am alive right now. They said I won't be able to talk, see, nothing.
Yeah, they said he was going to be legally blind. He had a whole list of ailments that, and he does have some things we're still working on, and I've had him in different therapy since he was 15 months old.
Yep.
He is quite an amazing little fella.
So where is the white? So guys, don't do this if you're 3 or 4 and you're getting this. Let your mom or parents, since I'm pretty old, I can.
He's pretty old.
Yeah,
Yeah, he just now been able to handle any kind of scissors, and I'm still picky about not letting him.
Not a knife yet, because knife's more hard than scissors. I got not like a knife, but I got like a multi-tool that has a knife, but my mom says I'm not allowed to use it hardly. She's scared that I'm gonna cut myself with it. And that's what mom's supposed to do. Be scared, keep their little kids safe.
Yep, I keep reminding him of that. Somebody actually told him that his mom was just too paranoid.
Yeah.
I told him, no, that's what moms are supposed to do. Moms are supposed to be paranoid and keep their kids safe.
I'm happy I get to talk to anybody, even you guys, because
he has a compromised immune system, so he does not get to go to regular school, which I know a lot of kids across the country are doing homeschool, but yeah, he's getting a bit stir crazy over not getting friends, so we do some virtual play dates.
Yep, on Teams. And by the way, these taste a tad bit different. I just took a little thing. I'm gonna put orange on this. Oh. And I'll put this.
If you just knew where he came from, they said he would never be able to do for himself. And look at him decorating Halloween cookies.
Yeah, I'm not that good, but oh, I tried these before. These are actually pretty good. They're kind of like Smarties. They have paw prints and stuff. I'm gonna do a few of these. Oh yeah, I forgot. I was gonna put a white in the lines. Silly me.
Do you want a pumpkin? Or do you want to try to do a pumpkin? You got a witch's hat over there. Do you want to try to do a pumpkin?
Yeah. After this, I already got the whole length. There's another one.
Yeah, there's 2 different sized pumpkins.
I like doing crafts. I made tons of stuff. If you don't know, my dad's a bricklayer. He works pretty hard.
Here, you want to do the little pumpkin or a big pumpkin?
Big pumpkin. So, and then I'm going to do a tad bit purple. Oh, silly me.
Maybe I should decorate something.
Just barely leave a
Let's
tiny
see, what do
little
I want to
gap.
decorate? Tell them what your favorite thing to do is. What is your favorite thing to do? You like doing farming stuff. Tell them.
Yeah, I love doing farming stuff.
And riding tractors and
Like stuff like lawnmowers. And since that's the only thing I can drive, because I'm barely the right size, my dad made a contraption. He's a pretty well maker. He never made anything hardly.
what is this that the thing made? What is that?
I already used to buy all the purple because it won't stick.
Oh, okay. You're supposed to
So
melt
let's-
the chocolate. We'll have to try that. Look, this is melting the chocolate on these and pouring them in the cups. You want to try that later
try
tomorrow? We
later.
can melt some chocolate and put them in these cups, and then you put the candies and stuff. Look how cool that is. We might try. See, these are the little melted chocolate things, and here it gives the details about melting the chocolate and putting them in these little cups, and the little crispy things that go with them. We should do that. Maybe tomorrow we'll do that part because it's getting too late to be melting chocolate and stuff. Look at what he's doing. Mercy, you're going to put them all on the little bones on there?
I tried to make a
Look
square.
at that. Look at that. Show 'em what you made there.
I got
Man, look at that. You put half of the decorations on your ghost cookie. Okay, do your pumpkin and we're going to get off here because I don't think anybody wants to just sit and watch you decorate stuff. Good. Gonna do your pumpkin?
You know what I should have put in there?
What?
Orange.
Orange.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We don't have orange, don't do it. We need some orange for our pumpkin.
Yeah, I'm just spreading everything out. Not even doing anything. Oh.
This is a really good idea. I think they said this was from what I read, the kids had moved away or something. I forget exactly what it was, and the grandma can't see them, so she had been sending her grandkids little kits like this to do them online with them, so she just started making the boxes for everybody's kids if they wanted them. Levi. I think that's how it started. Something to that effect anyway.
Don't want to come out that good because it's been frozen in our fridge for a couple days. Then I'm going to use the white again. do
So,
this white
isn't
little.
this a pretty cool idea? Tomorrow maybe we will video melting the chocolates and putting them in here and see what else we can come up with.
Making little dots. Me. I already used about all the white icing. They don't put much in here. Plus,
Yeah, they don't intend for you to put it that fat, goofy boy. Okay, we're gonna let them go for now. Maybe we'll video again tomorrow making the chocolates. So that is what you get in your Grandma in a Box. Every month is some kind of different theme. If there's a holiday, like October is Halloween, so everything was Halloween themed. July was, like I said, 4th of July. Christmas, I imagine, will be some kind of Christmas decor type thing. So, that is our Grandma in a Box. Thank you so much for watching. Tell them thank you.
Thank you.
We will see you guys later. Bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.